Assalamualaikum and very warm welcome to you all students. I am Maliha Niaz, your SSC teacher, and today we are going to start lesson number 3. In this lesson, we will start unit number 6 and the unit name is Goods and Services. At the end of lesson, you will be able to define goods and services, and you can also differentiate between goods and services. Okay, my dear students, let's start our lesson with definition of goods. Goods are objects that can be sold, bought, and used. You can touch with your hands. You can see many things around you in your bedroom, in your classroom, or in any shop. Books, clothes, machinery, toys. You can touch them. These all are called goods. Now, students, let's talk about services. Services are work done by people for others. Service is a job you pay someone else to do. In our society, many people are giving their services, such as doctors, teachers, nurses, engineers, shopkeepers. These all are giving us services. Let's look more examples. With these examples, we can easily understand difference between goods and services. What is this? Yes, this is a car. Car is a good. You can touch it. Down you can see car wash. Car wash is a service which someone else to do that. One more example. Pair of shoes. Yes, I have many pair of shoes, students. I hope you all also having. And down, what this person is doing? He is repairing the shoes. So, shoe repair is a service. Remember students, everything we buy is either a good or a service. Now, it is a time of home task. You have to make 2 columns on your notebook. In first column, you have to write 5 most favorite goods. And in second column, you will write most important services. In case of any problem, you may ask for me. Take care and goodbye.